Hi, I'm Pete Seifer from Alliant Energy's PowerHouse. I wanted to share another way to save energy while you're at home. It's as simple as cleaning the coils underneath your fridge. If your house is like mine, you may have some dust bunnies living under there. Start by cleaning the front vent at the base and then pull off the vent and vacuum the exposed coils under your refrigerator. This can help it run better and use less energy. And this is a simple project to tackle while you're at home. And as always, stay safe in your PowerHouse.